All right, Hannah Glasco, Service Operations Manager, and as somebody who has supported accountants and professionals through many tax seasons, tell me, what is the secret to surviving a busy tax season?
Well, during tax season, the one thing I try to tell myself is don't wait for the stress to show up. Expect it's going to happen and prepare accordingly. Each, I guess, in between season, when it's a lot more calm, is your opportunity to be ready for when it happens. And the biggest thing that I found that makes you the most prepared is focusing on your team. So be proactive about morale, engagement with them, both individually and as a team. There are many ways to do this. It depends on your team, their personalities. I've been fairly lucky that most people I've managed are around my age, so I know that they're okay with 6, 7 jokes, but it depends on each team, each personality. The other one would be helping people focus on all the metrics that you have to focus on every day, but in a way that is more motivating. So what I've typically started doing is kind of like a Dungeons and Dragons reward system for metrics. So at the beginning of each month, everyone rolls for initiative. Whoever rolls the highest initiative gets a bonus multiplier for whatever metric they have or choose for that month. At the end of the month, we see if we defeated the monster and we get whatever reward we have. It is a lot more collaborative, um, but I would say those are the biggest ones, is getting to know your team, identifying who's good at what. And humor as an add-in, it does reduce cortisol. And if you combine both of those, then you continue to strengthen every iteration of tax season. And as the years go on, you know, with the formation of a team, some people will leave, but then they will still be there to teach the next person and so on. And so you're always building each other up for each generation.
So aside from remembering to have a little bit of fun, whether it's the 6, 7 jokes or rolling a d20, any other advice for anybody out there listening?
Patience is a big one. There will always be more work tomorrow. When you're overwhelmed, say it. I'm sure many people on your team are happy to help in one way or another. I'm not sure I'm positive. To say, hey, this is really frustrating me. Can you help me find a solution? Talking about it and not holding it in is the biggest one. Otherwise, you'll explode.
A shared load is easier to handle, right? All right. Well, here's to a fantastic 2026 tax season.